center of the little fish. And you need to remain on the sea and please do not put your arms outside the boat because the crocodile may bite you. Just have a quick look everyone on the left hand side. It's nothing interesting over there. So let's look on your right hand side everyone. Have you ever been to there? Yes. There's a Tarzan tree house. Tarzan live over there. If you want to find Tarzan, you must take a raft to the Tarzan tree house. Because all crocodiles are under the door at Tarzan tree house. So please don't swim over there. And let's say hello to those friends on your left hand side. Hello. Oh yeah, so good. And let's say bye bye to those friends on your right hand side. Bye bye. Keep shaking, we never see them anymore. Oh no, bye bye. Alright, we'll have 4,000 miles in this general, and I know the soccer. What do you see on the front? What do you see on the front? It's mother's elephant and baby's elephant. Baby's elephant is still learning how to use his front. Keep going, little guy, you can learn it. On the right hand side, get wet. Farming, look at those wrinkles. She was under the water. No. Oh no. Almost there. Almost there. Are you guys ready to get wet? Here to this front door on the left hand side. We need to pass through it. And let me count. It's 3, 2, 1. It's nothing. Just kidding, everyone. Brother Elephant brought our road and we need to go this way. I don't know how dangerous it is. It seems like it's an old time boat. Look at on the left hand side. Those spiders are so big and so toxic, they can jump to any feet. Don't worry, we only have 10 feet long. One more spider on the right hand side, don't touch them. On the front, it's an elephant called from Indian and it represents wisdom. And those king cobra are the protector. Oh no, one more king cobra on the left hand side, we're now in the distance. Oh no, we just passed through it. And what do you see on the front? So it's crocodile. We call them crocodile, right? Do you know what they call us? They call us lunch. So please don't put your arm outside the boat because we are lunch for them. Alright, and we're now in Tarzan friend. Oh, that's about the campsite. Uh-oh, what are those gorillas are doing? Hey, you need to stop it. Don't worry with the gun. You need to go in and do this here. Oh no. Hey, just shoot the gun fire. There's something number 2. And now we're now in Africa. You can see there are different kinds of animals, such as giraffe and zebras. Do you know the difference of male zebras and the female zebras? No. The male zebra is white with red stripe, and then the female one zebra is black with white stripe. It's so simple, so this is male, female, male, female, male. On the left hand side is the second fierce animal in the jungle. It's an African elephant. It's a yes, I'm African elephant. Oh no, it must be the most fierce animal in the jungle. Alright, look at those bubbles everyone. We are now in Impulse School. Watch out them everyone. Last week there were 6 of our boats. Don't worry, only 5 of them are mine. On the left hand side, 1 more hippos. You guys are brave, we made on the sea and those safari last week has took my boat. And they all just saw the hippos and all jumped off of my boat. I told them not to argue with the rhino because the rhino always get their point across in the end. It seems like a little bit danger now. We are now in Headhunter territories. I know that language. They told us push our watch and jewelry now. Hello everyone, we are good guys and we are not tasty. So can you please don't eat us and let us go? Oh, they say okay, we can just pass through it. Never mind. Nothing should be scared here. Nothing should be scared. Alright. Oh no! Yes, it's good. If you hit by those poison dart, you need to push it out and then throw it back. Because we don't accept any souvenirs in our boat. And now we return to the dock soon and please remain on the seat and put your arm inside the boat. Nothing can stop us anymore. Oh no! Nothing can stop us. Hold on everyone, we need to turn. Oh, it's so bad. It seems that we are now in the canyon of the god. Water god and fire god sleeping here. It seems like they're steaming and we need to find a way out before the anger. We cannot move forward and we cannot move backward. It's so bad. I know. Michael is angry now. What is going to do? What is now? Michael is angry. I just came off of Michael. So what are you going to do? Wow, I can't see anything. Are you still there? Oh, are you still there? Yes, it's good. Yes, it's good. Are you guys ready to see the most fierce thing on your left hand side? Just kidding, everyone. It's only an elephant baby over there waiting for us. Let's have a quick look. This elephant baby is still learning how to do his job. This is the eye. Keep going. You can learn it. And maybe you can just take some photo and yeah, we will return to the dog. Please remain in the seat first and put your hand on inside the boat. Alright. And return to the dog now. Are you guys feel happy today? Yes, it's good because I will work here every day until my rest of my life. You can just come and find me, and the final question is, are you still remember my name is? Oh no, it's so bad, no one remember my name, you cannot go back to the top. Just kidding everyone. My name is Brian and please don't call me Frank. Almost there, almost there. Give me a few more seconds until my boat is totally stopped. Finally, 3, 2, and 1. My boat is stopped now. Thank you.